A constructive way to use cell phone time is to read. And what if it's not just social networks, but your favorite books? A way to make the most of your time or have the necessary information at your fingertips, no matter what your need is. These are some applications that you can download to read books from your smartphone. Kindle. Kindle is an Amazon application which includes some books available for free reading. Likewise, there are books enabled to buy with cheaper prices than in any bookstore. Many of its editions and content are available in Spanish, and the best thing is that the application can be synchronized with different devices. Wattpad. Wattpad is an unlimited global library in constant expansion, a narrative platform with more than 70 million users, allowing you to connect even with writers. It also allows you to publish your original stories. Google Play Books. This application is available for Android and iOS systems. It allows you to modify the size of the text and customize your reading experience. Its novelty is the availability of audiobooks, of which you can have a free sample before buying them. Read Era. It allows you to read free books on the internet in different formats, without ads, without registration. It works without internet and it is free. It is an excellent book manager, creating lists of ordered readings. Kobo Books. It allows you to return to the point of the book at which you left, and you can track how long it takes to read a book. Add them to the library from your email, web, or the cloud. It offers personalized recommendations based on your reading habits. You can also change the languages for the enjoyment of your reading to your preference.